Hey Spencer,
Yeah, Joe.
quick question for you. What makes a good night's sleep? How can I make sure I get a good night's sleep?
I think the most important thing for a good night's sleep is going to be your body temperature. Some people sleep really warm, some people sleep cold. But I think if you can regulate your body temperature to your natural level, that's the best way to get into that deep REM sleep.
And how can we do that?
There's a few different ways to do it. So first of all, if you don't have air conditioning, get air conditioning in your home. Regulate your room temperature. Your environment's important first. But if you don't have it, there's ways to do it, and we like to do it naturally. So this is what I was just cutting before you broke in here. Was this is what goes on top of a mattress. This is called ticking, and then we have what's called the padding portion on top. We use organic cotton and wool. And what that does is the cotton will absorb your perspiration or your moisture of your body, and then the wool takes it and it wicks it away from your body. If you look at it microscopically, those fibers are great for doing that.
As opposed to what?
So most beds, let me grab something here. Just so you know, all of our fabrics, we get in big rolls and we have quilting, and then what we do is we cut our patterns from there.
Very cool.
So I have a piece here that I was cut earlier. They look the same on top. So if you were to look at these two right here, the quilting's the same, but on the inside, we have something different. This is polyester on top, right here, polyester, and then polyurethane foam. Both those are petroleum-based products, and this is what you're gonna find in your low-grade beds. They look good, they feel good, but if you have body temperature issues, it actually repels your body heat back at you. So I mean, this is what's going to make you clammier. There's no airflow going through this.
So keeping that body cool and using a breathable top to your bed.
Yeah, I don't know if you've been warm at night and tried to sleep, as you're kicking sheets off and you're just trying to get comfortable.
Totally.
That's the biggest issue we deal with.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Spencer, if someone's interested in getting a new mattress or learning more, how should they get in touch?
That's easy. So I'm usually at the factory here, manufacturing and making beds, or we're at one of our showrooms throughout Southern California. But if you want to get in touch with me, you would call the store. One of our company store number, it's 805-658-2866. And you can ask any question you want, I'll be happy to help you.
Can you say that number again?
805-658-2866.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.